Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make delicious creamy butter chicken. It's really quick and easy recipe. If you follow it, it will be like restaurant style. For that I need boneless chicken. I have cut it into big pieces, lemon, 1 teaspoon of oil, yogurt, tandoori masala powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, butter, 2 onion, 4 tomatoes, fenugreek powder, sugar. I'm going to have cashew nut, corn oil, and I need some of these big spices. So I'm going to use bay leaf, I'm going to use cinnamon stick, I'm going to use black pepper, big cardamom, small cardamom, cloves, ginger garlic. This is going to be for curry. Now before that I need to marinate my chicken, so I'm going to mix all my spices in 1 teaspoon of oil. So I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala powder, red chili powder, and I'm going to mix it really well in oil. Now it's completely on your taste. If you like spicy, take 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm going to mix it really well so that the color turn out to be good when I marinate my chicken. Look at that, this is how it should look like. Now I'm going to take my chicken, I'm going to squeeze all the water out, and I'm going to add lemon juice in this. Once I remove all the water, excess water, I'm going to add lemon juice for my marination. I'm going to add in this salt. I'm going to add all that blended spices which I have prepared in oil. And now I'm going to add yogurt. I'm just taking 1 cup of yogurt, and I'm going to mix it really well. You can wear gloves if you wish, but I'm used to mixing it in my hands. So I'm going to mix it really well, make sure that all pieces get mixed, and I'm going to keep it aside for 20 minutes. Now for curry, I will chop all my tomatoes, as you can see. Now I've put in my dish. I will add onion. I didn't make it thinly sliced, I just cut it randomly. I'm going to add a little bit of red chili powder and all my spices what I have shown you earlier. I'm going to add that. I'm going to add slightly butter in that so that there will be a nice aroma, and I'm going to also add some cashew nuts, and just cover the lid on and leave it to cook until the tomato get really mushy and nice, so that I can blend it. Now this is how it look like. Look at that. Now to make chicken tikka, I have taken a grill pan. I have drizzled some oil, and I'm going to fry my chicken tikka to put it in my butter chicken. Now make sure to fry it on a high flame. You just want it to get half cooked so that we can cook rest in the gravy. So I'm going to cook for one side for 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to cook for 5 minutes. That's it, it will be done. Now this is ready. I'm going to use my grinder to grind it well. You can use any grinder you want. Look at that, this is how it will look like. I love the color. Now you see that butter chicken tikka, how delicious it turned out to be. I'm going to keep it on both the side. I'm going to turn it around the bell. Now I will drain my sauce. I'm going to drain my curry, and I'm going to remove all that big spices. I don't want that, I want that creamy texture. So I'm going to remove all that things out. You see, this is how it looks like. If you want, you can add that yogurt, but I'm going to avoid it. And now I have to make my butter hot. Look at that. Butter is hot. I will add some ginger garlic paste. I'm just taking 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, just to have some nice orange color in it, and a little bit of spice. Look at that, this is what it looks like. You can smell all type of spices. And now I will pour my creamy texture curry. Yeah, this is how it looks like after removing all type of things. This is a little bit thin. Now I'm going to let it get cooked for some time. Now I'm going to move it around. You can see it looks beautiful, it smells yummy, and it's really good. I'm going to add some sugar. This is completely your choice. If you want to add, how much you want to add, like sweet, add it. I'm going to add my dry fenugreek leaves, which is also known as methi, and I'm going to mix it really well. See, beautiful. Now I'm going to add my grilled chicken. Yeah, so I'm just going to keep on adding my grilled chicken in it. I'm going to keep it on the low flame for 10-15 minutes, and here we go, it's done. Look at that. I can smell aromatic methi. It smells delicious and it looks delicious as well. So I'm going to have it with either with chapatti, either with naan, either with rice, and trust me, it turned out to be good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you for watching.